for your concern, I can manage it. So don't worry about me, worry about your airline. Underrated, but I'm still cashing out. You go shock, you say I get money, but you fake. Oh, my dear, should I want to listen to you? My dear, I'm a day.